Hi, I'm Melinda Cohen, co-founder of the Coaches Console and known by many as the Goddess of Efficiency. I'm so excited that we're about to kick off our Business Building Quest 8-day workshop series and to bring you the fastest and funnest way to start and scale a coaching business. Actually, to start any service-based business, whether you're a coach, a healer, a wellness practitioner, a consultant, or something else. For 13 years now, we've been supporting thousands of coaches and practitioners around the world in their businesses. And for the past few months, we've been bringing together all of our latest research, our deepest wisdom, all of our best material to share with you in this workshop series. It felt like this day would never come, and finally it's here. I am so excited. You're going to love this workshop series if you're serious about starting your business, if you've had enough trainings that don't get you results, and if you're finally ready to do what you love, get paid generously, and make a big impact. Because all of that can be true at the same time. This doesn't have to be about doing what you love at the sacrifice of getting paid generously, and it doesn't have to be that you can only be in it for the money. This is a both-and industry, and you can simultaneously make big impact and make big money. And I'm excited to show you the way. In fact, after Carol experienced this material, she more than doubled her prices, extended her agreements, and her clients are paying in full for longer contracts. And Deborah, after she implemented this contrarian approach, she increased her fees by 400%. Yeah, I double-checked, the math is accurate. And Patty, she added 5 new clients quickly and continued her growth and is now having to search for a coach so she can bring onto her team to handle the extra workload. And really what we're talking about here is taking care of others while you're also taking care of yourself. You see, I want you to be so filled up energetically, spiritually, intellectually, that you're able to bring all of you to your business, to your marketing, and to your clients. I want you to be giving of the overflow so your clients are getting the best experience and the best results possible. How does that sound? Most coaches and entrepreneurs stay stressed out and overwhelmed and frustrated, even depleted, and they're giving of the fumes. So they get little in return. That's what we want to change in this workshop series. You see, there are 3 areas you must master to create success in your business. You must master the skills of coaching, the business of coaching, and the marketing of coaching. We're going to take a look at everything that relates to the business of coaching so you can be positioned to actually love marketing, to find new clients, confidently get those clients, and help them get the best results possible. Often people, they're not getting clients or making money. They try to learn the next, latest, and greatest in marketing, only for it to not work. I often tell people, it's not a marketing issue, it's a systems issue. The way you have the back end of your business set up or not set up often limits you, so you can't grow past a certain plateau. And that's what we're turning around in this workshop series. So you'll have a business beyond your wildest dreams, so you can live the lifestyle beyond your wildest dreams. And your clients, they'll be living their lifestyle beyond their wildest dreams as well. Sound good? You in? Let's do this. Welcome to our opening ceremony for the Business Building Quest 8-day workshop series. In this ceremony, I want to share with you our schedule of events. I want to invite you to ask a different question, and I want to walk you through the 4 stages that you, well, and even your clients experience when you or they venture down any new path. So first up, our schedule of events. Monday, August 14th, workshop number 1. The fastest and funnest way to scale a business. This is where I'll be giving you the ultimate coaching business blueprint and everything you need to be prepared to find leads, get clients, make money, and support your clients. Then on Wednesday, August 16th, we'll host workshop 2, how to prepare for your business building quest. In this, I'll give you the coaching business content creation template. In these 3 simple exercises, you'll transform how you look at marketing and how you can easily begin to create content for optimal conversions and effective enrollments. On Friday, August 18th, you'll get the experience of Workshop 3, the precise sequence for launching a thriving coaching business. This is when you'll receive the coaching business roadmap to success, so you know step by step what to put your attention on, the best way to implement it, and how to easily navigate your way to a thriving business. The guesswork will be taken out of it. Then, on Monday, August 21st, we'll all come together in the free masterclass, Coaching Business GPS, the step-by-step guidance and magic behind an easy breezy coaching business. Finally, you'll learn the truth behind the business of coaching so you can once and for all remove the overwhelm, know precisely what to do, when to do it, and how. We'll get your business up and running. We'll get it organized, streamlined, and automated so you can confidently charge what you're worth out of the gate. You can look forward to marketing and networking. You can get the clients that are meant to be working with you. And on Tuesday, the 22nd, we'll transition from our workshop series to open enrollments for Easy Breezy Coaching Business Bootcamp 2.0. We'll have a live welcome ceremony with yours truly. And on Wednesday, the 23rd, we're going to host a live cast where you're going to hear from startup coaches and practitioners like yourself about their personal journeys from their initial vision through the struggle and overwhelm, or as one coach put it, through spitballs and duct tape, finally to having a thriving business and a thriving lifestyle, where mindsets, what they overcame, what limiting beliefs they transformed, and what actions they took that made a significant impact on getting clients and making money. And finally, on Friday the 25th, we'll have a closing ceremony and enrollments will close. So often, startup coaches, wellness practitioners, healers, and all sorts of service-based entrepreneurs come to me asking, how do I find clients? And while I understand your enthusiasm has you ready to get clients and start doing the work you love, that is the wrong question to be asking out of the gate. Asking this question is actually what catapults you into reactionary mode, which is, well, that's where overwhelm is created. Have you ever heard that saying, if you want something done, do it yourself? I actually first heard that when I was involved in Dale Carnegie as one of their coaches. And then I quickly realized that while it's empowering, it also leads to hard work and even overworking. I like to put a little different twist on that saying. If you want something done, create a system that gets you consistent results over and over and over. That way you can work smarter, not harder. I invite you to ask a different question. Instead of scrambling around and asking, how do I find clients? Ask, how can I create a system, in this case, a business, that generates clients over and over and over again? When you take on this mindset and perspective, you begin to put your energy, your resources, and your attention in the direction where you can make the biggest impact over the longest period of time. I'll be sharing more about this with you in workshop number 1 that's coming up. And as you begin to venture on the business building quest, I want to share with you something that, one of my mentors shared with me early on, and it made all the difference in my business journey. You must profoundly become comfortable with the discomfort of being an entrepreneur. Let me say that again. You must become profoundly comfortable with the discomfort of being an entrepreneur. It's in our nature to be creative, to not live in a box, to live at the edge of our comfort zone and be revolutionary in our thinking. This is the heart and soul of what it means to be an entrepreneur. Otherwise, you'd just be content with a job. And I have a feeling that's not your thing, or you wouldn't be here right now. When you can relax into the knowing that being an entrepreneur is living at the edge of our comfort zone where discomfort is a given, you can then embrace this spot and learn to thrive instead of fighting against it. I also have to let you know that while we've helped thousands of coaches successfully start, launch, and scale their business, the opposite has also happened. Many coaches and practitioners have come to us with great intentions and dreams as they've encountered our teachings, insights, and the truth that we're willing to share with them about what it means to have a business. They quickly discovered that they don't have what it takes. They'd rather just be a hobbyist and have a simple job that pays the bills. And that's okay too. Either way, I want you to be certain of what lies ahead. Because being a great coach is one thing. Running a thriving coaching business is altogether different. And if you want to get clients, make money, and make a big impact, you must have a business and it must be organized and streamlined. Otherwise, it's just going to be an expensive and frustrating hobby. And we don't want that for you. So I hope that by the end of this workshop series, you can confidently answer the question, do I want a business or am I okay just being a hobbyist? And then Confidently move in that direction. And as you move forward toward becoming the thriving business owner that you're meant to be, there is a distinct learning process that occurs. I'd like to share that with you so you can be mindful of it as we move through the workshop series together. You may have already even seen this. And in fact, the 4 stages of learning that I'm about to share with you, it's also great for you to share with your clients as well. Because when they first start working with you, they're going to go through these same exact stages. When you or your clients are aware of them, they're much easier to move through, making it quicker to get your desired results and reach the destination. So let's walk through the 4 stages of learning. Quadrant 1, Unconscious Incompetence. This is where you don't know what you don't know. Or as that saying goes, ignorance is bliss. You're just skipping through your day and all seems well with the world. And then something happens. Like, for example, when you declare to the universe, I want to pursue my passion and start my coaching business. This interrupted your nice little world as it existed and moved you into Quadrant 2, Conscious Incompetence. Now you know something, but you don't know what to do about it. So it feels messy, it's frustrating, overwhelming, and quite honestly, well, you get pissed and a lot of times you get cranky. If you can move beyond your comfort zone with support and guidance, you can then move to Quadrant 3, Conscious Competence. This is where you gain an understanding of what it takes to pursue your goals, whatever they may be. In this case, your business. It still takes conscious effort and a discipline because it's like you're learning to walk. You might fall down, you might bump into unexpected things, but again, with support and guidance, you can keep moving forward. And that then brings you to the 4th quadrant, Unconscious Competence. This is when the newfound skill becomes like a habit, like breathing oxygen, and you can do it in your sleep. It's graceful, it's effortless. Right now, you most likely are in Quadrant 2 when it comes to creating success as a coach and in your business. You know you want it to be more than a hobby, but you're not sure yet what it takes to create and run a business, or don't yet know how to find leads consistently, or how to convert them into clients, or how to create a steady stream of cash flow. And with just a bit of time and attention, with the right support and guidance, you can and will keep moving from Quadrant 2 into Quadrant 3 during this workshop training, and eventually into Quadrant 4. And the good news is that now you know the 4 quadrants, so you can just keep moving forward instead of retreating back to your comfort zone, or instead of staying in the mess of it all and tolerating everything. And before I bring you the workshop series, there is just one more thing that I want you to know about your business building quest. On our quest, it is super important to do these 3 things regularly. Number 1, offer celebrations. Number 2, give gratitudes. And number 3, do frequent dance breaks. Might seem kind of silly, right? After all, we're doing serious work here, creating and launching businesses. And that's precisely why these 3 things are vital, so we don't take ourselves so seriously on this quest. So, why offer celebrations? We spend so much time living outside of our comfort zone and focusing on what we don't know or what we don't yet have, that we forget to celebrate what is going right and the little wins along the way. For each celebration you share, it's like adding fuel to your rocket ship that keeps you moving forward. So come into the Coaching Lifestyle Facebook group often, like daily in fact, and share your celebrations. There is no degree of celebration. There's no celebration too small or too big. Celebrate them all and celebrate them proudly. And acknowledge others in this Facebook group as they share their celebrations as well. Get connected and create momentum through your celebrations together. Now, why give gratitudes? This is another powerful way to acknowledge what we have accomplished so far. Like, it is no joke being an entrepreneur. And unacknowledged good turns to shit, quite honestly. When we don't put our attention and give thanks for what is, it's hard to move forward into our desires. Giving gratitude is a quick way to process what we've experienced thus far and to fertilize what you already have so it grows. And finally, dance breaks, my favorite. We spend so much time in our heads figuring out strategies, brainstorming marketing, creating content, battling our gremlins. We need to get into our bodies regularly. get out of our heads and to physically get up and move our bodies. Did you know that when you do something that feels good, like dancing, that you release a chemical in your body called nitric oxide? It's a free radical, the good kind, that actually resets your power grid and reboosts your body, much in the same way that rebooting your computer makes it work better. With enough nitric oxide in your body, your blood vessel walls relax, allowing more of that life-supporting oxygen and other nutrients to flood your heart, your brain, your internal organs. Everything moves more quickly and smoothly, and you literally become more creative and you boost your resourcefulness. So it's time to get up and move regularly. Like I said in the beginning of this opening ceremony, I want you to bring all of you to your business, to your marketing, and to your clients. I want you to be giving of the overflow so your clients are getting the best experience and the best results possible. How does that sound? You with me? So mark your calendars and be on the lookout both in your inbox and in this Coaching Lifestyle Facebook group for each of these workshops to be released. Throughout the 8-day workshop series, I'll also be doing smaller mini trainings here inside this Facebook group as Facebook Lives, polls. I'll be answering questions. This is where you can think of me as your mentor and guide on your business building quest, to be like your best friend and your confidant and a sounding board who tells you like it is and has your back along the way. I'm here to make sure that this is a fun adventure for you as you set up and launch your business. We're going to roll up our sleeves. We're going to get messy and have fun with the nitty-gritty details of the truth behind the business of coaching. Are we having fun yet? I'll see you in the workshop series.